What's up, everybody? We've got Mustang S550 Engine Bay Dress Up 101. What do we got here? Well, we've got some generic bolts here for some fender washers. Went with some gray. That'll be sweet. Then what else we got here? Oh, this is nice. What is this? Ooh! We've got some caps. Got some oil caps, power steering caps, fluid caps. What I like about these caps is this thing is pretty cool, but we don't have to have those. We can just have this. And I know a guy who does some engraving, so if I wanted to switch it up later, I could have him engrave these bad boys. For now, I think I'm just going to use these pretty sexy caps because this Mustang's got a carbon fiber theme to it. Next up, we got some MMD plate covers. Now, some people like this ugly mess. Other people don't. Watch this. Bam! Ain't that sexy? Much better. But we're going to dress it up with some nice new bolts. Make it all pretty. And oh my god, do you see that? Do you see that? That thing is ugly. They made this beautiful engine bay almost by itself. But man, oh man, what is this ugly POS? We got to fix that. And we are. What do we got here? We got some Mishimoto. That's right. I got it off of eBay. I buy everything off of eBay, to be honest with you. It's quick, it's reliable, and they have to have it in stock. I was looking at all the other typical places, and wow, I got like a little penguin right there. Never seen that before. Got some instructions here. Oh man, here it is. Here it is. Oh man, I'm gonna have to hang on. Alright, we're back. Holy smokes, look at this thing. Little eyesight there. I went with the black. Man, this looks so much better than this garbage right here. We're getting rid of that. And boom! Right there. So yeah, we're gonna transform this engine bay. We got some other things in here. Looks like some hoses and some clamps. It's a nice box, Mishimoto. So yeah, we're going to have some fun today, getting this engine bay a little bit. Do have some sad news. I did order some cool covers that go here, but they're, the guy didn't ship them yet, and I wanted to get this videotaped, because I'm tired of waiting on it. So here we go. Alright, let's see, I don't read instructions typically. I just start like, get the pliers out, see what we need to do. It's kind of cool. It's got like a little snapper thing in there. Yeah. Put that over there. Oh man, she's on there. One trick I've learned is if you twist it like that, you can usually man, she's tight. Man, even that looks like a well, you know. Alright, back one here. Almost like you could take a pair of needle nose pliers. Let's think smarter, not harder. What if I did this? Maybe these are too needly. Oh, maybe. Nope. But I will do that. There we go. It's probably the same thing. We're going to have to give that a good old twisty twist. get her to come loose. There's probably some of you going, what is this kid doing? Well, I don't know what I'm doing. I just know that this radiator cap thing is disgusting and ugly. And I want to make it pretty. Alright, so it looks like we need some bolts there. I'm used to Mazda, and Mazda has got everything's metric. And I was halfway expecting that this car would be all standard. And the more I work on it, the more I'm discovering that, sure enough, it's actually metric too. Which I think is fantastic. So there's 2 bolts here that we're going to take off. And according to the pictures I've looked at, there is something below here. A bigger hose. So the thing we're going to have to figure out is how to get the liquid out of here into the other side. We're probably just going to replace that bolt with the new fancy ones. Because, look at it. That looks ugly to me. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Alright, that's loose. Oh, there is a little brackety thing. Oh. Don't lift that too high. The other hoses start squirting out stuff. So what do we want to do here? We want to clamp these shut. So, put well, if you hear me rattling in the background, it's because trying to get some bolts. Because my grandpappy, he taught me some tricks where you can take a bolt and shove it inside there. Get the right size bolt, shove it in there. It won't leak. There we go. There. Put this here. Like that. Shove this bolt in there like that. There we go. Now what? I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. Welcome back. We're doing some crazy stuff. I'm gonna drain this into this container. It's a clean container. Ah! Looks like there's a weep hole in the bottom there. Alright, so while I've got this kind of sitting there, there's another clip back on the back here for the bigger hose. guess what? I'm gonna go after it. Get my tool here. Nice. Okay. So the clip back here. Ah. Ow. Where's those needle nose pliers? I'll try this. There we go. So it feels like there's some left in here, but all right. So the bottom hose is out. I'm gonna leave that in there like that. Move that away. That's still draining. So I'm gonna take this bad boy. Got the hose connection right there. Slide that bad boy on. I'll get it going the right orientation there. That kind of clipped in a nice place there. Get my huge old pliers. Clamp that guy. Oop. Get it right over. There's a little humpty thing there. Get that sealed. That's done. Boy, that was pretty painless. So I'm gonna take that out. Get that on there like that. Oh, see, it does do something. Isn't that interesting? So what do you just do? Like flick that out? I'm scared. I'm afraid it's gonna come out and pinch me. Ow! I don't know. Maybe some engineer thought it was a good idea, but I'm a so-so on it. And I hope you guys are getting a good view of this. I'll tilt the camera over this way. There we go. There we go. Alright. Then we're gonna take this guy out. Well, you can hear something. Something's inside of there too. We'll pop that on there like that. Yeah. Same thing. Get the pliers. I'm not gonna squeeze it so far so it latches, because I didn't like that. Done. Alright. Now, alright, so, you know, The coolant, you can reuse it. I'm sure someone's gonna bitch at me. Just use a funnel, make sure your containers are clean, and shouldn't really be an issue. Plus, I don't have any of this red stuff. If it was the green stuff, I'd have that. There we go. Oh, my camera died, and one of the things I did do is there's a hose here, an overflow hose, and I just put that in. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Alright, next on the list is these beautiful caps here. It's had an O-ring that I had to replace from the other one, and then this is that shiny carbon fiber. It's basically a peel and stick. Pretty straightforward. Screws in. Already did the radiator cap, brake fluid cap. This guy, bam, much better. The other thing we did is this came with some new bolts, but we put in the beauty bolts. So we've got these ones going on now. So it definitely makes quite a difference. And we have these full-on plates. Those are installed. Put in those clips there. Pretty easy peasy. Makes it clean up quite a bit. The other thing we got here is some Mustang horsey caps to cover up that disgusting bolts, all those bolts. Another thing I'd like to do is maybe do a wire tuck, but yeah, we'll see. But yeah, there she is. So we got all the caps. Place that. Place those bolts. She's looking good. So yeah, that's Engine Bay Dress Up 101. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. We also got these guys too. Sneak peek at the next mod. Ooh! We'll get some more content for you guys. Thanks for watching.